Hi, my name is Abby and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Test Kitchen on Cooking with Abby, we're going to be trying pomegranates.
Pomegranates. So I cut the pomegranate up for you. Now that we have that cut, what do we think, people? This is not a real test kitchen, right? Because you guys have had these so many times. I don't like the seeds.
I don't know.
I kind of spit out the seeds. What
They're
about you
like
guys?
crunchy sort of because they're so small. And I know how many seeds are in a pomegranate.
Tell me how many seeds there are.
613.
That's what
I want to count this because this looks like more than 613.
You know what I think we could do is if we really wanted to, we could weigh like 100 of them and then weigh the rest of them and kind of do some math. But math is crazy. We don't want to do math in the kitchen,
It's
do we?
summer.
So pomegranate seeds, great on salads, great on salads.
In honey.
In honey, okay.
They're sweet.
Turn them into all kinds of different sauces.
Juice.
Juice.
Pomegranate juice
Yummy
is really
juice.
good.
You can buy them like taken out of the fruit, but that's kind of lazy.
In those little cups.
I'm trying to suck the juice out.
Still got a juice out, eh? All right, thanks for watching, everybody.
And you can find more videos on YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Bye.